everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make this beautiful square-like diamond pattern. Let's get started. To begin, I just went ahead and attached 6 cords to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now take the 6th cord from the left, and with this cord point it down diagonal to the right and tie 4 double half hitch knots. Now take that cord next to it here on the left, point it down diagonal to the right, and again tie 4 double half hitch knots. Now, looking at this section, we're going to take this top cord here, we're going to point it down diagonal to the left and tie 4 double half hitch knots. Now take the next cord here to make a second row of double half hitch knots. Now moving all the way over here to the right side, we're going to take the cord here on the left, and it's going to point kind of down diagonal to the left. We're going to tie 4 double half hitch knots. Now repeat with the last cord here on the right side. Now taking the 4th cord from the left, point it down towards the right, and again tie 4 double half hitch knots. Repeat one more time for a second row. And there we go. Our really cool kind of square-like diamond pattern is complete. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.